Hey, good morning, everybody. Bob, Trade Genius. It's the morning of the 26th of June, and right here I'm showing you the move in this is the SPX USD. It's kind of a real time version of ES here. My chart patterns here, and we got another moneymaker buy on this 4 hour candle here. Showed up right before midnight, and I call these moves crazy Ivan moves. So they dip and then last night I went ahead and I got long the ES and now I'm going to see how far we take this up. So my expectation is we should be able to recover this entire loss going into the end of the month window dressing, and so I'm saying risk back on. And if we look here, what's confirming it to me is we have a money market sell on gold. I was telling people in the room, and I put on videos this past week, that gold's going to need to take a breather, retest this breakout zone before it moves higher again, and that's being confirmed by money flow just collapsed. Stokes are rolling over. We got a moneymaker sell, and you're starting to see some juice coming out of the miners here a little bit. Don't confuse this sell-off with me being bearish. This needs to happen, so people are going to take profit. And as long as we hold this breakout area here at 1375, then we can look for the move back up to 1550 is what I've been expecting. And then just going along with that is, if you look at oil, 1 second here we go, is that oil's pushing right now to get to the top of this channel, and so it's a good chance going into the OPEC meeting the single hit 60 again, and then we can look probably for a more durable sell-off in oil, because fundamentally oil is we're washing it in the world right now. We're just dealing with the players manipulating the price right now as hard as they can, basically off of a channel bottom here. These are really very, very important. When you get these channel moves like this, they especially when all the Stokes, everything lines up, you get a pretty good move. But I have to admit, it was a lot stronger than I thought, for sure. And so we'll see how it goes here, but looks right now pretty good chance they're going to push it up to that $60 mark. So we're just going to have to kind of wait and see. And I've been shorting oil into these top moves just for day trades, and so for the most part they've been going pretty well. But you got to let these big candles play out on the shorter time frame, so you can just catch the fades back down. But this move here has just been amazing. There's a 16% move coming up right now, just in 2 weeks, off of nothing but jawboning. And then I just want to show you here from a tactical standpoint. I'm looking at the day here, is that if you're not already long ES and you want it to be a bullish day for you, then you're going to want to see that this level right here is going to hold the 29.33, 34 area, and then that'd be a good launch pad to take it up to this 29.46 here. If it pulls back to here, then we'll just have to kind of wait and see what that would mean for the day. It could mean that we'll just come back and double top it here, but we're still 3 hours from the open, so just kind of kicking it and waiting, and just managing to stop right now for me. So that's pretty much right now. So it looks like a risk on, dip buy, converting back to the Momo names, going into the G20 meeting and quarter end. I mean, it should be no surprise to anybody this was coming. They just don't go into any of these meetings without ramping the stock market. And so coming out of it is what's going to be most interesting to us, and in terms of being able to push 3000s in the gun sights right now. Everything about the world today is narrative, and so they have their paintbrushes out right now, and I think they're painting pretty hard. I'll catch you guys later, and you guys have a good day. Thanks for listening. Bye bye.